Let me guess, you're working on shelving orders right now. Okay. It will be soon. Well, very shortly.
He's the jerk. He had to yield. That's why he's on the road. He's got the yield sign. I think his boat caught on fire.
Oh, Lord.
Yeah, I think it's on fire.
Yikes.
That's okay.
Hey, you alright, bud?
Oh, yeah.
Sure?
Yeah. Holy.
Dude, she didn't even fucking brakes or nothing, man.
Oh,
We're right behind you.
I'm glad you seen it,
Yeah,
man.
she didn't hit her.
I don't know if I can even move. I don't know if my car will move.
I don't think so.
R-A, ra.
Alright, Joey.
I don't know how to say that. Dad! Why? Why? What the heck? You could have crashed us! What the heck?
Y'all accuse me of being a bad driver.
You scared the out of that car too! He was like, what? Oh my god!
Final day of the month at 7:44 right now, and Uber has a new feature. This is something special, quiet mode.
I refer to it as J-Lo mode. What you can do, yeah, you'll understand once I explain it. What you can do, the black car up.
I wish that we can change places. Don't want no boo-boo faces. She got my heartbeat racing. They say time.
Why is this still happening? And then in the way that the press is dealing with it too, and how actresses.
Is it just you or Hugo coming with you?
Hugo had the opportunity, but he can't get the time off.
God, it seems like he's very limited with his time.
Yeah, work is not that easy for him.
Oh my god, Ricky! Have children in the car. I cannot believe this.
I cannot believe the car in front. I'm not going to say anything about Ricky. It's the car in front. And if anything, I would take down their plate numbers.
0707UQ.
I thought it was 736.
ATH 4559. ATH 4559.
What? There's pressure. My ears were weird.
Running the red light.
Is it the one right there?
Yep.
No.
Will slow to act in a crisis, Uvalde Police Force. The director of the Texas Department of Public Safety testified that the Uvalde police response to the school shooting last month was an abject failure. Abject failure? Wow, that seems pretty harsh. So what happened? Well, footage showed that officers entered the school 3 minutes after the gunman. But what?
My mom. What?
What was that?
Equipment and actions they needed in order to consolidate their hold over the planet. Throughout the meeting, I nodded politely and took notes on my tablet and made noises at the appropriate time. But as I suspected, most of what they wanted was more. More of everything, including human troops. They wanted Huang's battalion to stay, though he had already politely told them no. Then, not so politely, told them no